real quick. Okay, so when it's right here, you just have to kind of like swipe. It's like swipe up, and then you just touch this, and the keyboard comes up, and then you just hit dot. That's the password. That's the password. And then so you go over here, and then this is MA. That's the MA2 software. Just double tap on it, and then this comes up. So you just hit yes. And then you're kind of left with this screen, but you actually need to get to let's see, which one is it? No, no, nope, nope. Screen 3, nope. Oh wait, nope. Screen 4, nope. Or is it behind this screen? Maybe. Let's see. Screen 2. There we go. Okay, it is screen 2.
Screen 2.
Yeah, so screen 2, command wing. So now we have the run through of the service. Currently, right now, it's on post service. We don't want it to be there. We want it to be up top. So like, let's say like the team is just practicing. Basically, all it does is like it turns on a bunch of lights, and it's just some wash, just so that way the team can practice. After practice, we can go to pre-service, and to go to different ones, you just hit the go button.
Yep.
The go plus, and then so the countdown video starts, and then you hit like right when it starts, you hit go again, and then at the very end of the countdown video, you hit go again, and it goes to song 1. So song 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all the same. Close worship, I think there might be a difference. I think the lights might come up, the house lights. It's hard to tell with the other house lights on, but so like if you're not sure like what's happening right now, what you can do is I don't know what that is, but what you can do is go to the layout. And like this shows you basically like kind of like a rough virtual layout of all the lights. So for instance, like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like these are all of those they're called Fresnels. Like it's your front wash. And then like these white ones right here, the ones that have like the little 50, these are all of like your lights for the seating.
Okay.
Yeah. And then these 3 over here, all the 200s, these 3 over here, and then all these 3 over here are all the long tube-looking ones. They're called ellipsoidals. And then you have the ones above the stage near the projector. It's like 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Those are your backlights. And then these right here at the top are all of those pixel bars up there. Yeah. So right now, like we just want to see like what the lights for the seating are at. So to pick one, basically you can just touch it like that. Come on, did it highlight? Or you can click and drag. It's hard to see. Yeah, this one's highlighted. Yeah, it's like a little yellow. So once you do that, and it's on the dimmer down here, you can see. So it did come up. It's all the way at 100%. Yeah, like if you go back to run, like up here, if you go back to run, and you go and we go backwards, like to song 4, and then you can see, because it's highlighted, you see all the crowd lights dim. But you can see that because it's like, it's like selected right now. So if you go back here, and then you just hit the clear button. Sometimes you have to hit it twice, but now it's not selected anymore, and you can see like there's nothing here down for dim, so nothing is selected. But whenever you want to see like what levels things are, like you can select like this light, one of the front wash lights, like so that one's at 59. Well, I think I just moved it because it turned red. So let me just hit clear. Let me just try it again. No, it is 59.
Guys, if you clear, it won't clear the actual number. It's just clear the sequence?
No, it won't clear. It will clear the number, but it means that it just released. It just released those lights.
The selection.
Yeah. So if you want to select multiple lights, you can click and drag like that, and it selects multiple ones. But a lot of times, what happens is, like, to do that, like, sometimes you need to select other ones that you might run into. So it's easy enough just to, like, just touch them like that, and then you can select all of them together. So now we know all of these are at 60, because that's what it shows down here. But let's say 60's, 60's not bright enough, which I feel like worship was a little bit dark. Like, let's say we want to go up to 70. So we just use, we can do it one of two ways. We can use this and, like, scroll it up like that. Like, we can go up, like, a lot more, and that's like, that's 100 right there. Or we can go, we can say, like, maybe 70's probably pretty good.
Yeah.
So 60 to 70 is not a huge thing, but so let's say that's probably pretty good. So now all of these are at 70, and then we come back to run, and then we're gonna hit store, and then we'll tap this, and then we'll hit merge. So now, like, now we're still highlighted, we're at 70. Now if we go back to song 3, you're gonna see, because we didn't change song 3, it goes back down to 60. So if you want to change song 3, I'll show you the other way that you can do it. You can use a little scroll thing like I did, or you can just go, at 70, please. And now they're all at 70. So now, like, you're gonna save it to song 3. So you're gonna go store, tap song 3, and then merge. And so now that one's saved. And then we can go back to song 2, and then it goes back down to 60. So it was like, all right, we want to change that one too. And we want, so it's still selected. So we go at 70, please. And then we go store, tap song 2, merge. Yeah. And then we'll do the same thing with song 1. Bless you.
Thank you.
So we'll do at 70, please, store, tap song 1, merge.
Now, why is it merge? Like,
And not overwrite?
yes.
I actually don't know. So I just learned it with merge, and I'm not messing with it after that.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's not the way.
Yeah. So now let's see. Let's go back. We're gonna select our 6 Fresnels front wash, and then we'll go back to run, and we see it's 70, and then we're just gonna go through 2, 3, 4, and you can see, like, the dimming stayed at 70 the whole time. So it's like, great. All right. So now it's gonna go back down to 60, but we don't want it to do that. So they're still highlighted. So we're gonna do at 70, please, close worship. Oops, almost hit store, close worship, and then merge. So great. So that's good. And then we're going to go down to video, and then for video they go out completely. So they'll go to 0, set up for meet and greet. They should go back to, is it 60 or 70? They'll go back to 60.
70, right?
So we're going to change it to 70. So we'll do at 70, please, and then store, meet and greet, merge. Yeah. So